everybody, it's Lisa, and today I'm making Unicorn Cupcake Toppers. So for this project you'll need blush and a blush brush, Sharpie, hot glue gun, cake pop sticks, cardstock, ribbon flowers, and for this project I used glitter foam, but any glitter paper will work. So to get started, take your unicorn face cutout. I just hand cut everything for this project. I didn't use stencils or anything like that. Glue on your ears and your horn. And now you're going to glue on your flower crown. Draw your eyes, 2 dots for the nose, lashes, and the last step is blush. And to finish it, put on your cake pop stick. How easy is that?